Yeah, man, so this morning I'll get some mint tea, some bush tea, mint tea with some soursop, soursop leaf. Yeah, man, so I just give them a quick clean up, wash them off real quick. Make sure, say, we remove any insect or dirt or anything like that, Yeah, we'll boil them up. Whew. This morning, as you can see in the video, we had some mint and soursop leaf tea, early in the morning, warm up stomach. Yes, and then we took a drive down to Negril, and we had some ackee and saltfish. Yeah, I had ackee and saltfish this morning with some fried dumpling, boiled dumpling, callaloo, and some fried breadfruit. Yeah, Deandra, she had callaloo with the same size, dumpling and banana and something. Yeah, man. So after that, we had some a nice massage people. I didn't get to really record a lot because, me never in a mood for record, to be honest. Yeah, but, we got some, like a couples massage, like a full body, 1 hour massage, man. I tell you, right now, my body, look, my body look shiny and nice right now. My body feel nice right now, guys. I tell you, well rubbed down and nice, all of the tension, them in the body gone and all of them something there. Yes, but with that being said, guys, we're just there up on the beach right now. Me just there go and enjoy the moment, enjoy the ocean, the beach and everything. Enjoy the vacation. Now this was a quick little, 4-day trip, 4-day, weekend getaway because my birthday was a few days ago. So I'm saying, let's go come to Jamaica, man, book a quick ticket, fly down, come check family, and just enjoy the time here, because, every opportunity me get to come to Jamaica, I'll come to Jamaica, You see it, a lot of people, they travel to elsewhere. There's nothing wrong with that because, I am going to experience traveling to other parts of the world eventually. Yeah, maybe in the next few months anyways, but with that being said, guys, we're just there.